What's up, folks? My name is Dr. Kris Alexander, professor of video games, and today we're here in the Catalyst. We're going to be building future builders. We're going to be building these PCs, learning how to build from scratch, and these tools are going to help them learn how to earn when they grow up. Well, actually, right at the end of the workshop. We've got 12 builders here, high-end PCs donated by Canada Computers and AMD as well, and we're super excited to see what they build, but most importantly, throughout the 4 days, yesterday was the starting of the build. Today we're gonna get into what they would do with this superpower now that they're acquiring it. In the next couple of days, we're gonna see how far we can push them based on what they say. Some people said they wanted to build clothes. I can teach them how to do that in Clo 3D. Some people said they want to build third-person narratives. I can teach them how to do that in Unreal Engine. So we're just gonna keep flowing with the squad, and as we grow, we're gonna keep moving forward. So keep that in mind when you're delivering to the client, okay? The clients are sitting right outside and they're gonna come in, and each of you, if you're comfortable, are gonna pass that computer over to them. So before they enter, I would like you all to stand, please, in front of your machines. The client for these PCs is you. That's yours. Take this knowledge, take this skill, pass it on to somebody else. You get a computer, you get a computer, you get a computer, you all get a computer. Big round of applause, y'all.